Hey, what's going on? My name's John Erickson. I'm over 25 and I'm available in Long Beach on the shoot dates as a local. Yeah, so there's nothing better than after a long day at work or a long work week than to get together with friends, head to the sports bar, and catch the game on TV. Maybe it's the playoffs, get some drinks, get some food, and then play some games. I love ice hockey, and I've always played air hockey growing up, so I can get down on the air hockey table and make people cry. Uh, Skee ball, something I'm horrible at, but love getting those tickets if they're available and then getting a prize afterwards. Spend a ton of time on that and can get pretty competitive as well. And then any like the sort of the arcade games where you're racing somebody. So Mario Kart's a fan favorite, but there's new ones like motorcycle racing and snowboarding and sort of like jet skiing and anything else where you're on the machine and you're sort of cruising this way and that. You can bump your buddy next to you, get him all mad at you, and then obviously see how you do. I'm always crashing and falling over, but super fun. First-person shooter games, and every once in a while we'll shoot pool, or those mini basketball arcade games. Get your heart racing shooting those. All in all, it's just fun. The more drinks you have, obviously watching the game as well. It's a good night out. Get your mind off things, laugh, get the adrenaline flowing, shoot the shit, and at the end of the night, you feel good. You've gotten it out of your system, and you're sort of ready for the weekend for the next day. So, yeah.